Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter and this channel was created to help you on your investment journey, to help you make the best financial and investment decisions possible. I've got 16 years experience in financial services. I'm a qualified financial advisor. I'm also a qualified mortgage advisor. I no longer advise clients directly. However, with this channel, what I hope to do is share my professional experience, having worked for discretionary fund managers, having advised clients myself, and also my personal experience of having been in debt when I was in my 20s to really empower you so that you can get both sides of the coin when it comes to investing and when it comes to money, and realizing money for what it truly is, a tool to help you build the life that you want. So if you are here on YouTube and essentially what you want is a level-headed approach to investing where you can have the pros and the cons with none of the hyperbole, then this is the channel for you. I host regular Q&As on the channel, so you can come along, ask me questions regularly on a weekly basis. All you need to do for that is hit the notification bell. You'll get notified when I post or schedule a live session. I also have guests on the show as well. Professionals, expert in their fields. Again, with the notification bell, you will be notified of when those will be. So come along, join the family, and I hope to see you soon.